You're editing in Premiere and you've only got audio in one speaker. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put it in both speakers.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
Hi and welcome back to DIY Film with Merle Becker, the channel where I help you make better videos. Don't forget, I've got a bonus tip for you at the end of this tutorial. Okay, let's dive in. So if you have an external mic plugged into your camera, which you should, quite often you're only recording audio to one channel. With some of the more advanced cameras or with a Beach-Tech adapter, you can send the audio signal to both channels. But with most consumer cameras that have mic inputs, your audio is only going to be going to one channel. Which means when you bring it into Premiere, you guessed it, there's only going to be audio on one channel. And hence, when you play it back, you're only going to hear it in one speaker, which is not ideal. You always want to be hearing your dialogue in both speakers. So here's what you do. Now, I'm on Premiere Pro version 15 here, so if you have a different version, your layout may look a little bit different. But basically, here's your fix. So I have my audio track here, and if I stretch my timeline down so you can see the waveform, you can see there's only audio information on the top, or the left channel. So what I want to do is basically duplicate the audio that I have here on the left channel and put it on the right as well. So I have the same thing on both channels. Then when I play it back, I'll have it playing in both speakers. So to do this, go to your effects palette and find the Fill Right with Left effect. The quickest way to do this is to search the word right here at the top, and then the effect will pop up below. Then you just drag the Fill Right with Left effect onto your audio track, and it does exactly what it says. It fills the right channel with the audio information from the left channel. And although you still don't see the waveform here on the right side, it's there. And now you hear your dialogue in both speakers.
3, 2, 1.
And of course, if you only have audio on the right, you use the Fill Left with Right effect. But I didn't need to tell you that. Done, done, and done. That's it. You're cooking on both sides. Okay, let's do a quick tip. When creating videos, the audio mix is hella important. If your mix is off and your music is overpowering your dialogue, people are going to be clicking off your video because they can't understand what's going on. So to get the best mix, you've got to start with some good monitors. That means a decent pair of external speakers. Not the internal computer speaker, not headphones, speakers. Because there are things that you're going to hear with a good pair of speakers that you don't with computer speakers or headphones. Things like air conditioner hum or hisses you might have picked up on your mic, and if you can't hear them, you can't get rid of them. So call the fine folks at somewhere like B&H Photo and tell them about your budget and your setup. Have them recommend something you can use to properly monitor your audio while you edit. Because $90 is a small price to pay for an entire channel of properly mixed videos. Alrighty friends, go forth hiss and hum free. And as always, if you found any of this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell so you know when the next one is posted. And I will catch you next time.